have a red-shouldered hawk who came in recently. So if you look right here, this is his humerus, and it's quite fractured if I do say so myself. But you can also see here his ulna is fractured, but his radius is still intact. So what we did was Dr. Sam placed an intramedullary pin along his humerus to help stabilize it, and then he also placed cross pins to keep it from rotating around. We did wrap the ulna as well as this humerus in a figure of 8 wrap to help keep it stabilized and keep it all from moving. Since the radius here is still intact, we left the ulna alone to keep from adding a whole lot of different metals and things into his system, which could have stressed him out and lengthened his healing process a little bit. But if you look at his second x-ray after the surgery, you can see here that the intramedullary pin has been placed. It's coming up through his shoulder, coming around, and then he's got 2 cross pins right in here that help stabilize the 2 ends of the fracture. This big gray matter there is actually just an external fixator to keep everything from moving around even more. But yeah, and he's actually not doing super bad right now. He's actually doing pretty good. So we have really high hopes for him.
We want to get to it early because there is history that maybe this guy's had the fracture for a couple of days. Normally we give the animal a little bit longer time, but because of the chronicity of the fracture, we want to get in there and get it repaired as soon as possible.
He was found down on Monday, and he actually came in yesterday. The finder found him in her backyard Monday. Yeah, she called and let us know that she had a hawk down in her backyard. She wasn't able to catch it, but she was able to throw a plastic tote over him with some holes in it. And then when I got there, he got out from under the tote. So we managed to capture him in the backyard, and I brought him in the next day.
Turn down 2.5.
Yeah. Let's see anything in the orthopedic box. So he's going to do 2 wraps on the wing. He's going to do a figure of 8, keep that wing stable, and then he's going to do a body wrap and wrap it around to hold it against the body. Can you hand him over to me?
She dog right here. All right.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Somebody's like, oh my.
All right, let's start walking.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah. Hold your head facing out towards us.
Blink.